This tutorial takes you through setting up your Epical system to accept payments for all online bookings. If you haven't set up your Stripe account and connected it to Epical, I'd suggest you follow the other video that takes you through those steps. Once you've done that, then under Settings, Local, you go to Point of Sale, and you notice there's a new payment type called Stripe. Drag that over and pop it onto your point of sale on the right, which is part of your payment items. Then just below your payment items, there's a box for surcharge percentage. And for each payment type, you can choose to have a certain surcharge percentage. Enter those figures and then go to the bottom and click on Save. Head over to the appointment book settings. Now in appointment book settings, there's a section further down where you've enabled online bookings. Within that section, there's a tick box that you tick to enable payment for all online bookings. Below that, minimum deposit percentage. I've got 40% here. That's the percentage you'll set as a minimum to accept for a booking made. Now below that, you have a test and live mode. The other thing too to remember is if you want to receive 100% all the time, just make sure you put 100 in this box. Test mode allows your payment gateway Stripe, your account, to go into a test mode and allow you to test using this credit card number. So I'd suggest just copy this and paste it in a handy place so you can actually use it when testing the online booking side. Once you've done that, click on Save. That's basically the settings that you need to do to accept online payments. Now what I'll do is I'll take you through the process of what it looks like from the client's point of view when they log on to online bookings. This is the mobile version. So when you go request a new booking, choose a service, choose your date, staff, and then request your booking. Now when you do a request booking, it comes up with the payment, full payment or deposit, and that's the minimum percentage. They can change it if they want to, but they won't be able to go less than the 40%. Surcharge is calculated for them and the payment that is needed right now. So if you go pay now, if they go, takes them through to Stripe payment. On the top it says test mode. I'm copying that credit card number and pasting it into the credit card information. Below for these figures, just choose a date in the future will be fine. And your CVC number, any 3-digit number is okay. Any name, and click on Pay. So it processes this test payment with that test card as if it's a real transaction. And once it's completed, it turns green saying accepted. Booking requested made, you will be notified, and so on. And if your client goes back to the main page, my current bookings, this is the list of all the current bookings coming up in the future. When we go in there, I'll go to the date that I created that booking. It says part paid. So if I click on it, I can go up and actually make more payment if I need to from the client's point of view. That's the process what the client sees. Heading back now to your system, if you click on the appointment book, on that booking that I've made, of course, approve. And if you go to that date, in the point of sale, you will notice that the sale has been created with that payment already assigned to it that they've made. So on the day when they come through and make the booking and do the service, it's normal process. Right click, checkout, add more products or whatever, apply another payment type to complete the difference in payment, and that finishes the sale off, and it should go from red to black. Okay, that's the process of what you'll do on here. Now the important thing to note is in your settings, once you've tested it, make sure you turn it back onto live mode and save to activate live mode. And in live mode, they need to put in their own credit card number. But what I'd suggest you do is when you've put it in live mode, go and make a booking yourself and use your credit card number so you can track that the process in Epical has worked, you're comfortable with it, and at the same time you can open up your Stripe account and it will show you that that payment has been processed as well in live mode. In the Stripe account there is a switch which you can flick on the left from test mode to live mode, and you'll see what's been done in test and live mode. That's the process on what you need to do to set it all up. Enjoy. Until next time.